Okay, so a short video here for this month, August 2018. Not a whole lot of new micro models came through my bench here. Just going to go over quickly some of the couple of builds and then a couple of the notable micros I thought were pretty good. Start off here with the Flex RC Beefcake. We'll talk about the Phoenix here in a second. This is the 3-inch micro with the dual stack design for the Caddx Turtles or the Runcam Split Mini. So it's for, mostly for taking HD video, not really for acrobatic flights. You can do top mounted, mid mount, or bottom mount battery in this one. Variety of motor options on here with 9mm and 12mm hole pattern available on the motor mounts. So there's a lot of different ways you can build this. So check out that video if you want a little more details on this frame and the way it flew. This was a good flyer out of the box, solid frame. It's going to be pretty durable, I think, and crashes. So if you're looking for a sort of a 3-inch dual stack type of frame, check this one out. Next one I want to talk about is this one is the Lism RC LS-X140. This is the bind and fly model with the XM Plus receiver. I also did a build video on a custom build using some I think 1106 motors, I forgot. Let me just double check here. It's this one here. These are the 1106 BBB motors. These are the high kV 7500 kV, so I had to fly this one on 2S. So if I had a choice between doing a custom build on 2S and doing this bind and fly build here on the 1206 motor on a lower kV 40, I think this is 4500 kV, I would go for this one here. You get better flight times, I thought the performance is better, and this build was pretty good. So yeah, between the custom build and the plug and play or bind and fly build, go for this one here. And also the lower kV motor, you get better flight time, more efficiency on the 4S LiPo versus the 2S LiPo, and I had a discussion about that in that video, so I'll put a card in the corner of that video. This one was okay in terms of a bind and fly. There was some setup that had to be done, wasn't that great in terms of like what my expectations are. I would prefer absolutely no setup whatsoever, which is why the Phoenix is going to be my favorite for this month, because there was no setup whatsoever. So if you're looking for a 3-inch with a little bit of setup, check out the Lism RC LS-X140, the 3-inch model here. But I prefer the 2.5-inch Phoenix here from Gep RC. No setup needed, just flew the PIDs that came out of the box. I just did a bind of the receiver, set my modes and rates in Betaflight to my preferences, and then charged the battery and went and flew it. Took me about less than 10 minutes to get in the air, and this thing flew great. Did many flights on this without touching anything, and very happy with this model here. So check out the video for the Phoenix. This is my micro of the month for August 2018. This was definitely the best out of the box experience. I think one of the best out of the box experiences for any micro that I've seen in the last actually for quite a while. So yeah, if you're looking for something that's going to be easy to set up out of the box and fly great out of the box, then check out the Phoenix from Gep RC. This is a really good flyer on 2.5-inch and 4S LiPo. Now I got another micro here that I can't really show you because I'm blurring out the video here, but this is something that's going to be coming from Emax, and it's going to be a 2.5-inch micro. It's going to be an update to their, obviously, their Babyhawk R, very successful, very popular model, 2-inch model, and this one's going to be a 2.5-inch. Can't really give you any more details, but I've been flying it, and they have a bunch of pilots tuning this right now, so it's going to come with a tune out of the box, and it should be a really good flyer. They obviously updated it with newer components and stuff, things that people asked for from the original stack. They've updated that, so this will probably be out in mid-September, I'm guessing. So be on the lookout for this one, and of course I'll have a video on this one when they allow me to post the video. Anyway, that's going to do it for this month, August 2018. Be sure to check out the video links in the description below, and also the cards in the corner if you want to check out the more detailed information on these videos I mentioned for this month of August 2018. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.